Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 7 innocent mistakes that put your kidney in trouble. If your kidneys aren't working properly, you could raise your risk of having a heart attack or stroke. Here are 7 things you may be doing that could jeopardize the health of your kidneys. Number 1. Your weight is pushed to the side. No surprises here. Extra kilos are hard on your body. Being overweight puts you at higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes, which in turn can increase your chances of developing kidney disease. Insulin issues from both type 1 and type 2 diabetes cause inflammation and scarring in the kidneys. Anybody with diabetes should be getting their kidney function and urine checked on a fairly regular basis. Number 2. You pop painkillers constantly. Watch out if you take over-the-counter medication for chronic pain. Anti-inflammatory drugs, which include ibuprofen and aspirin, reduce blood flow to the kidneys and cause scarring because they're directly toxic to the organ. Number 3. You assume supplements are safe. Just because a product is marketed as natural doesn't mean it's good for you. There are plenty of herbal medicines out there that are harmful. Case in point, a plant-based ingredient called aristolochic acid can be found in traditional medicines. But it can cause scarring in the kidneys. Consumers are warned to stay away from products listing aristolochia, asarum or brigantia on the label, because they probably contain the harmful ingredient. Number 4. You never drink when you're thirsty. Contrary to popular belief, you don't necessarily need to down a full 8 glasses of water to keep your kidneys working well. Even with just 4 to 6 glasses of water a day, your kidneys are probably fine. But sticking with just a cup or 2 a day could challenge the organ. Not only will you not have enough water flushing out your system to keep your sodium levels in check, but a dehydrated body will have a harder time keeping blood pressure steady. Number 5. You're a fan of packaged food. Most processed food is chock full of sodium, which isn't just bad for your heart, it can lead to kidney problems. When you're showing signs that you eat too much salt, your body needs to flush the sodium out when you wee. And it takes calcium with it. In turn, having too much calcium in your urine increases your risk for kidney stones, says nephrologist. Number 6. Your blood pressure is out of control. High blood pressure is hard on your whole body, including your kidney. Kidney are basically one big set of blood vessel with urine drains. If you have high blood pressure in your big blood vessel, you have high blood pressure in your smaller blood vessels. Number 7. You haven't kicked your smoking habit. If you thought lung cancer was the only reason to put down the cigarettes, think again. A 2012 study found that quitting smoking for 16 or more years cut the risk of renal cell carcinoma, the most common form of kidney cancer in adults, by 40%. Smoking can damage the blood vessels and increase your risk of high blood pressure. It's another reason smoking is just bad on the body. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.